Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. I have already taught you falcons can fly, and it is finished by me. It is taught by me, and you have understood the story of falcons can fly. And finishing after we had told, I had told you have to do the work, you have to solve exercise which is given at the end of the topic. You have not done or you have solved, I don't know, but some grammatical works you have to understand from your books, page number 8 and page number 9 and page number 10. This is page number 8 and the question use affix to change these verbs to nouns. Write 2 new nouns for each word, one has been done for you. So by the help of affix you have to form 2 new nouns. So first one is done for you. First one has been done for you. Calculate is given. This is the verb and the noun form calculator and calculation. So second is given build. Now the new word will be builded, building. These are the noun forms of build. So this is verb and the new noun form is this, and this is noun, and this also noun. It's clear? Admired, and the new word will be admirer. Number 3, admired, admirer or admiration. Or you can use admiring also. Bond, bond, bonding, bonding, and bondation. Transport, transporter, and transportation. Achieve, number 6, achieve, ACHIEVE, achiever, achiever or achievement. These are the noun forms, two new words from verb. Assist, number 7. Assist, then through that, assistance, assisting. These are the noun forms of this particular word. Attend, number 8. Attend, attendance, attend, attendance, and attending. These are the noun forms of these particular words, and listen to me and mark my point. Whenever you will add ing in verb form, that will be changed into noun form. So through that criteria you can write and you can form the new words noun, and which is transformation by the help of verb. And next one, direct, number 9. Direct, direction, and directed. These are the noun form of this particular words, but this is verb. Okay, and next one, employ. So like this you have to write employs, and second one will be employment. And depart, departure will be the noun form, and departing will be also noun form. So two words you will have to form. Inform, and the first one will be informer, and second one will be information. So it's very, very correct, it's right, and have to understand it. Have to understand it, very, very important. I mean to say, it's very, very necessary how you will change verb form into noun form. So through that criteria and through that tricks, you will able to form new words that will be noun. Understand? Now page number 9. Now page number 9 we have to follow. So focus on grammar. These are the parts of a speech. Do you remember the different parts of a speech? They are nouns, verbs, adjectives, determiners, adverbs, pronouns, interjections, prepositions, and conjunctions. These are very, very important, and these are the backbones of English grammar, and particularly you will have to concentrate on it because it will create a lot of problem. If you will have no any idea, then you will feel a lot of trouble in your future and in your life, and you will not become a good student. So try to understand the criteria of noun, and you have studied in grammar particularly or not. I have not remembered this particular topic which is taught by me or not, especially in class 5. And verbs, adjectives, determiners, adverbs, pronouns, interjections, prepositions, and conjunctions. These are the topic you have to keep some ideas. So grammatical name, noun naming word, verb action word, adjective describing word. Naming word that refers to names of people, names of place, names of animals, and names of things. Just like describe an action or a state, that is known as verb, because verb is a doing word. And adjectives are describing word, and you have understood. So describes a noun always, and that is known as an adjectives. Determiner determines a noun, even your articles like an and the are the determiners. You have to know only these facts. An adverb describes a verb, adjective, or another adverbs. These are the definition of adverbs. And next one will pronoun, replace nouns, known as pronouns, conjunction, joins words, parts of sentences, and clauses. These are conjunctions and interjections, exclamation, either or their on or within sentences, and preposition links a noun to another words. So these are the main topic. We should keep some ideas about it. Now next part, which is given by me as a homework, and I will try to solve that, and this will be page number 10. This will be page number 10, and question number A, write the parts of a speech of the words given in blue. So first one, the and playing. The and playing. These are pronoun and this is verb. Okay, we have to write only name of the parts of a speech. So this is pronoun and this is verb. Man, but patiently. Number 2, man, but patiently. These are nouns. But is a conjunction and patiently is adverb. Okay. Fresh coffee always tastes good. Fresh coffee always tastes, T-A-S-T-E-S, T-A-S-T-E-S, these two words. So fresh is coming before coffee, and coffee is a noun. So fresh is describing the coffee, so this is adjectives. Okay, so ADJ you have to write and you have to mention, and tastes, this is verb. Okay, and next one, an apple a day keep the doctor away. Keep the doctor away. An apple. Number 4. And you can write adjective also, this one. Okay. But here N A and the. These are the 3 parts, and before noun comes this N, A, and the all these three are adjectives. Okay, all these three are adjectives. And next, oh, what a beautiful dress. Oh, okay, and this is WOW, WOW, okay, and this is interjection. This is interjection. Okay, and beautiful, beautiful. What is this? Beautiful, and this is adjectives. दुनिया में जितना भी शब्द है जिसके अंत में FUL लगा हुआ वो सारा एडजेक्टिव्स होता है, दूसरा कुछ नहीं. अंडरस्टैंड? सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, in this topic, you should know any problem. If you are reading at home, if you have no any idea about it, I think a lot of problem will be raised in your brain, and you will be nervous, and you have to face a lot of trouble in future, especially in English. And language can be create a lot of difficulty, which is very, very harm for you. So I am giving you a piece of advice. You have to read it properly. Okay, thanks.